Hello everyone, we are back. I'm Karen McCullough, and we have the puppies that are 8 weeks old that are available out here today. And they've all had their health check, and everybody is ready to go to their new homes anytime. This little guy that we're going to start with is the adorable Mr. Bart, and he is a little guy that probably is going to be 10 to, I think he charts 10 to 12 pounds. 9 to 12 pounds is what he's charting. He was 3 pounds at 8 weeks old. He's the littlest guy, and he has 2 blue eyes, and he is a very, very playful guy. I think, what do you think about his coat, Maddie? Think he's going to be a short woolly?
Yeah, short woolly, long fluff.
Yeah, I think he's probably a short woolly, is what I'm guessing. So he is one of the 3 boys that are available in that litter. And then we are going to move on to his brother, Brock. And Brock is definitely a cutie pie. And he is just a little bit bigger than Bart. And probably, I'm guessing him just a little bit closer to 15 pounds. But very much the same as in temperament. Very playful. Here's the other little guy. You can see them 2 together. I would say that Brock probably is just a little bit woollier. Not very much, but he's a little buck and bull. Anyway, those boys are so sweet, aren't you? Huh? Yeah. Still coming to see me, right? Okay, so this is the other little boy that's in that litter, Brick. And he is showing to be probably, he's going to be around 20, I think it was 18 to 24 pounds is what he's charting to be. He really grew in the last couple weeks, and so that's what it says on the chart he's going to be. And he's big bone little guy. He's got 2 blue eyes, and he's just a little lover. He loves to be cuddled, and kind of funny because he's almost where he's not as crazy about toys and stuff as what the other 2 little guys are. He'd rather just love to be petted on and loved on and have his belly scratched, right, buddy? Okay, so that is the 3 boys in the litter. Oh, and yeah, he's going to be probably a short woolly, but maybe a little bit longer than the other 2 boys. So that is Brick. Okay, we'll start with her. That's okay, we can go to Akita. This is Akita, and so she's from the other litter. She is from Nikki's litter, and she is charting to be around 20 pounds also. She is an absolute little lover. She's always, when I'm trying to do the videos and stuff, she's always on my knee or trying to get kisses, and not that we can see her very good right now. She's like looking at Maddie. But I would say she's going to be a short woolly also. Here, bring her over here. She usually does this. When I'm trying to get videos or pictures, she usually comes and she says, just pet me, right? Just cuddle me. Yeah, you're just a little lover, aren't you? And she loves to have her little belly scratched. Right, come here. There. So that's, if you guys want a really lovable little Pomsky that is going to require a lot of kisses and lots of belly rubs, this little girl is definitely little Akita. Super smart too. All right, here are the 2 girls that are also available. This is little Brit, and Brit is out of Brooklyn, and her litter. She has 2 blue eyes, and she's a chocolate little girl. So she's a gorgeous little thing. And you can see her beautiful coat. She's probably going to be also a short woolly. Maybe a little bit longer, though, do you think? Yeah. Yeah. I'm thinking that she's probably going to be around 15 pounds. She's very fluffy, so she looks a little bit bigger than what she really is. But I think that's what she's charting to be, maybe 15 to 18 pounds, I think. You guys see what I mean? See where she is? Akita? Yeah, you're a little lover, aren't you? All right, this is little Blossom. And Blossom is a rare lavender girl. And she's had a lot of attention this week, but she still hasn't found her new home. She does have 2 blue eyes, but she always struggles seeing in the sun. So cute. She's like, I hear that. So she is a gorgeous little girl. And she has the lilac or lavender coat, so she's a rare baby. And she's probably going to be either a longer plush or short woolly. If you want to let her go that way so we can see her coat a little bit better. And she is a sweet little girl too. She's kind of the same attitude as Akita. She's loves to cuddle and loves to come and sit on your lap. So, all right, well, that completes the older group that's available. They are ready to go anytime. So if you would like more information on one of these little guys and make one of these part of your family, you can reach out to us. We did do a YouTube video we'll be posting later that we did with our GoPro, and we'll be posting that up there probably either tomorrow or the next day. So you can see these guys playing, and oh, they're just so playful now. You hear my little Becky in the background. She's just weaned her puppies, so she's trying to get us to get attention from us. She wants to be out here playing with these little puppies. Anyway, we always pray about where our puppies go. So we are located in southern Iowa, but if you are not from around southern Iowa, we do fly our puppies. So you can, we can make arrangements to have one of our puppy nannies deliver them to the nearest major airport. That usually Southwest flies is the easiest for them to get into. But we are out here enjoying this beautiful day. It is 50 degrees here in southern Iowa, so that's very unusual for the beginning of March. And we're soaking up every little bit of it. It is a little bit windy though, so hopefully you guys can hear me okay. I did put my microphone on, so hopefully it drowns out the wind. But all right, God bless you all, and everybody have a beautiful, beautiful day.